Nearly every image you work with in Lightroom will be cropped. It may be a large crop or it may be a small crop, but generally your composition can be ever so slightly improved with a small amount of cropping. You can access the crop tool in the right hand column of Lightroom, or you can just press the R key on the keyboard. Bringing up the crop overlay gives you the rule of thirds as a guide. You can grab and drag the corners to adjust your crop, and then when you're happy with it, hit enter. The process is non-destructive, so you can always reset your crop if you don't like it. When you're cropping, you can lock the padlock to ensure that your crop stays the same in terms of aspect ratio. This is generally a good thing to do, otherwise you might end up with a strange aspect ratio in your image. If you do wish to create a different, yet standard aspect ratio with your crop, you can use the drop-down menu to choose from various presets such as square, standard photo print formats, and screen formats like 4:3 and 16:9. This can be useful if you know the output of your image and want to crop accordingly. Finally, if you want to turn a portrait image into a landscape image or vice versa, press the X key on the keyboard while cropping, which will switch between the two orientations. Be mindful that you're going to lose a large amount of resolution if you do this. However, it can definitely improve some photos, and if you've shot with a high megapixel camera, you should have enough resolution in order to do this with minimal loss of quality.